We'll continue in this part to discuss part 3 that you have to do. In this part, I need you to do the following, okay? With every press of the button, the direction of the LEDs to change. I'll just do a demo. I'm doing a demo here. As you can see here that the lamps are changing from here, here, and here, okay? And I make the delay 400 just for you to see because it will be very fast. Now, so what's happening now is that the direction is this way. Just try to see how to annotate. Okay. So the direction is that this one, so it will be like this, huh? So this one, then this one, then this one. Now I need to change the order so it will be in this way. So I'll keep pressing this one. So now see the change of direction. Keep pressing, okay? You can see the change now, right? But the problem is that I'm still pressing, by the way. When I release my hand, the direction changes, okay? So if I want to change the direction, I'll just press. If I remove my hand, khalas, it will go back. So I need you first to adjust the code that is in here to do that part, okay? So as you can see, what is it doing? If it is low, it will do this direction, else it will do the other direction, okay? Now, what I need you to do is the following. Let me share another whiteboard. Okay. So what we used before is the following. I have 3 lamps, okay? So I have the switch. You are going to read the switch, right? Read switch. If it is low or high, أنا ما يهمني which one is which. Okay. If the switch is low, then it will be this one first on, then this one, then this one, and then it will go and read again. And based on the switch, it will do this pattern again and again until you press high. If it is high, then what will happen is that this one will be on, then this one will be on, then this one will be on. Now, if you just press one time and you remove your hand and you go read again, it will read low, so it will do this pattern. So the direction will be here. In order for this to be always on this direction, whenever it finishes the last one, it will go and read again. So you have to keep pressing. That is the problem. We need to resolve this problem such that, you know, avoid only holding the switch. Okay. So you can see that now which direction is determined by either high or low depending on the switch state. Okay. So I need you to resolve this by the following. What I told you is to introduce a variable like integer low, okay? Integer x equal to low. So x is just a variable, okay? So let me go to, so now what I needed to do is that if x is low, depending on the value of x, if it is low, it will do one direction. I don't care which one. يعني على حسب اللي موجود عندنا في الكود. So it will be this one, this one, this one, or the other x. Okay. We said that we need to complement x. Okay. لكن المشكلة إن الكومبلمنت حق اللو في الأردوينو is not equal to high. Huh? Just be careful. So you cannot use high in your code. So what will happen is this is the other state, okay, or the else would be this one, then this one, then this one, okay? So what I need is that this should actually determine which direction to go, all right? Then I told you the switch state, okay? You're going to read, huh? You're going to read the switch at the beginning. Read the switch. If it is high, make x equal to complement x. Else اللي هي low بالنسبة لي else low يعني x, okay, this is complement x, not minus. X is equal to x, okay? So what happens now, let me, that's why at the beginning I told you to make x equal to low. So I told you at the beginning to make x equal to low, okay? So this definition has to be there. And if you don't put x equal to low, when it comes and complement in here, so let me just make this clear. When you come and complement here, if it is not low, then you are complementing nothing. Okay, so you have to have this state. So let's say now that x is equal to low. Okay, now you come read the switch is nothing, so you do the low, x is equal to x. By the way, x is equal to x, there is no need. يعني هذه if else. So the else here is not needed, right? Because it's redundant, it will do nothing. So there is no need for this. Don't put it in your code. طيب الآن which will just read the switch. So I'm going to remove this one. There is no need to make the else. So it will go. Is the switch high? No, let's say that we are not pressing. So a switch is low. So will it do anything? No. So x is equal to low still. All right. Then it will go. Is the value of x low? Yes, it will do this direction. On, then on. Sorry, the on should be here, not here. Then it will read the switch again. Still low. So x is low. So it will do this. So it will do this continuously. See, I'm not pressing the button. Now, when it finishes here, it will come and read again. Now the switch is equal to high. What will it do? It will complement x. So x will be equal complement of low. In our case, I think it will be -1. Okay, that's why I told you don't put if x equal to high. Put low or high. Okay, these two has to be the same. Sorry, these two has to be the same. Okay, so x is -1. Now you remove your hand, right? So is x low? No. Then it is the else. So it will turn all down on this. It will read the switch again. I'm not pressing the switch anymore. So is it high? No. So I'm not going to complement. So x is still -1. So it will do this one. Then it will go read the switch again. Okay. And then nothing is pressed. So it will not change x. So it will do this continuously. Huh? It will do all of this continuously until you press the switch again. When you press the switch again, it becomes high. So x equal to x complement. فالماينس 1 الآن تتحول إلى low. Then you removed your hand, and then you are going to run this all the time. See, if I'm not pressing anything, nothing changed. So this switch only will determine if x is complemented or not. That's it. And the value of the x will determine, are you going to do this button or this button? Okay. So I told you in the code here, these could be anything يا شباب. يعني أنا in here I told you this is the first task, right? I think I need to make a new share. Okay. So in here you have this as your task 1, right? And this is your task 2, right? These could be anything. So what I told you here is that depending of the x is, if x is equal to low, you will do this one. If else, it will do the other one. Huh? So this could be task 1, task 2. Huh? بالنسبة لنا task 1 is this, task 2 will be the reverse that I asked you to do. Okay, So you need to introduce up here that integer x مثلا تساوي low. Okay. Also, you can do it x is equal to high, but if you complement high, it will not go to low. Okay. I am not sure actually if low you complement will go to -1 or something else, but definitely it's not high. Okay. So it will not go too high, and this will not go too low. Okay. So let's keep it low. So as I told you, the switch state, this one, the if statement هذه, okay, that if the switch state equal to high will only complement. Now think about it. Do you need to make one of these or both of these inside the first if or not? I did explain this yesterday, but you can give it a try just for you to check the result. But I told you yesterday what is the answer. So please explore and make mistake and correct yourself. Okay. And don't expect that you'll go to the solution directly. Okay. You need to think about it. حاول ان انت تحللها step by step, see what happens to determine what will happen. Okay.